So now let's look at using string functions in detail. Here again is my initCap example. InitCap, change this to mixed case. InitCap is mixed case. And here are all the string functions that we are actually interested in for this level of this course. The red ones are the interesting ones. Let's go through and discuss what each of the red ones do, what they're for. Concat concatenates strings. Take one string and add it to the end of another. InitCap we've already seen. Produce mixed case from any case. InString, go into a string, search for a substring. You can look from a position and look for a specific occurrence. In other words, you can start at position 1 and find the second occurrence of the same string. Doesn't find anything, it produces 0. If it does find something, it sends you back the position of the first character of the string or substring within the string or expression. Length, put a string in of so many characters and it will return the length of the string in the number of characters. Lower converts from uppercase to lowercase, or from any case to lowercase, even lowercase. Left pad will add a certain number of space characters to the left side of a string. Left trim will chop off all the white space characters from the left side of the string. Replace allows you to find a pattern within a string and replace it with another one. Right pad, similar to left pad, except that it right pads a string. It adds characters to the end of a string. Right trim does the opposite of left trim in that it trims white space from the right side of a string. And actually going back to right pad and left pad, not just spaces. Space is the default. I can left pad a string with any character I like. In other words, I can left pad the string, which is the expression, for n characters with any expression. Any string, technically. Same with right pad. Right trim, substring, we've seen, you go into a string or an expression and you go from a position and you find a certain length of characters. So you pull a subset string out of a string. And it can go negative as well. Translate. Translate is similar to the replace function, except that it translates an entire string. Trim allows you to trim leading, trailing, or both. The same as left trim and right trim. It just allows you to trim white space off the beginning of a string, the end of a string, or both the beginning and the end. The default is obviously both. Upper, once again, convert from lowercase to uppercase. What we'll do is we'll continue with examples of all these string functions in the next movie.